Hey, what's up, fellow travelers? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Horizon Harbor. We're on a thrilling journey exploring the world one city at a time, and today it's all about the Windy City, Chicago. Known for its stunning architecture, mouth-watering cuisine, and rich cultural history, there's no shortage of adventures to be had. So buckle up, grab your camera, and prepare to be amazed, because today we're diving into the heart of the Windy City, Chicago. Our first stop is none other than Millennium Park. This gem nestled right in the heart of the Windy City is a testament to Chicago's knack for blending art and nature in the most stunning ways. The park's crowning glory is the Cloud Gate sculpture, known affectionately as the Bean. This mammoth stainless steel structure mirrors the city's skyline, creating a spectacle you've got to see to believe. But that's just the beginning. Millennium Park is also home to the Lurie Garden, a tranquil oasis that blooms with a stunning array of plants, creating a living, breathing work of art in every season. And then there's the J. Pritzker Pavilion, an architectural marvel that plays host to an array of concerts and performances. Millennium Park is a microcosm of Chicago's spirit, vibrant, artistic, and always surprising. From the beautiful Lurie Garden to the J. Pritzker Pavilion, there's something for everyone here. Next up, we're heading to the historic Navy Pier, an iconic landmark stretching its arms into the vastness of Lake Michigan. Navy Pier is a place where the city's heart meets the tranquility of the lake. An afternoon here is an afternoon well spent, amidst the hustle and bustle of city life and the serene views of the water. Now imagine a giant wheel towering above you, offering panoramic views of the city. That's the Centennial Wheel for you, a must-visit attraction that will leave you spellbound. And if you have little ones tagging along, a visit to the Chicago Children's Museum is a must. But Navy Pier isn't just about attractions. It's a world in itself, with an array of shops that will cater to the shopaholic in you and restaurants that serve mouth-watering delicacies. Yes, Navy Pier is indeed the perfect place to spend an afternoon with family and friends. No visit to Chicago would be complete without experiencing its world-class architecture. That's why our next stop is the Chicago Riverwalk. Imagine a pathway that weaves its way through the heart of the city, the Chicago River as its companion. This is the Chicago Riverwalk, a ribbon of pedestrian pathways and parks that offers a unique, at-ground view of the city's stunning architectural panorama. As you stroll along, you'll find yourself in the shadow of giants, skyscrapers towering above, their reflections dancing on the river's surface. Marvel at the harmonious blend of history and modernity, as century-old buildings rub shoulders with ultra-modern edifices. But the Riverwalk isn't just for walking. It's a gateway to the city's pulse. Unwind at one of the many riverside cafes, enjoy a riverside picnic, or immerse yourself in one of the public art installations. And for an unforgettable experience, embark on a river cruise. From this vantage point, the city's architectural grandeur unfolds in a whole new light. Be sure to take a river cruise to get a unique perspective of Chicago's famous architecture. Now, we're satisfying our hunger with some delicious deep dish pizza at Giordano's. This isn't just a pizza, folks. It's a Chicago tradition, a culinary experience that will transport you to the heart of the Windy City with each bite. The crust, thick and buttery, cradles a lake of molten cheese, punctuated by chunks of sausage and a vibrant tomato sauce. It's a symphony of flavors, each note perfectly in tune with the next. When you walk into Giordano's, you're not just entering a restaurant. You're stepping into a slice of Chicago history. The smell of baking dough, the sizzle of melting cheese, it's all part of the Giordano's experience. The anticipation builds as you wait for your order, your mouth watering in expectation. And then, the moment of truth. Your pizza arrives, golden and bubbling, a masterpiece in a deep dish. Get ready to indulge in a slice of cheesy goodness. Giordano's is known for its mouth-watering deep dish pizza, and trust me, it lives up to the hype. Last but not least, we're heading to the iconic Willis Tower, a place that truly touches the sky. This towering skyscraper, once known as the Sears Tower, is a marvel of modern architecture, standing tall and proud against the Chicago skyline. It's a sight to behold from the ground, but the real magic happens when you ascend to the sky deck. Imagine stepping onto a transparent platform, suspended 1,353 feet above the city. The glass-floored skydeck gives you a bird's-eye view of the bustling city below, a view that extends far beyond the city limits on a clear day. You can see for miles around, the cityscape unfolding before your eyes in a panorama of architectural marvels and winding waterways. Step out onto the glass-floored skydeck and feel like you're walking on air as you take in panoramic views of Chicago's skyline. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience you won't want to miss. Well, that wraps up our adventure exploring the best places to visit in Chicago. We've strolled through the vibrant Millennium Park, home to the iconic Cloud Gate sculpture, and basked in the verdant beauty of the Lurie Garden. We've sauntered along the bustling Navy Pier, soaking in the breathtaking views of the city skyline and the expanse of Lake Michigan. Our journey took us along the scenic Chicago Riverwalk, where we admired the city's world-class architecture up close and personal. Our taste buds had a party at Giordano's, sinking into the city's famous deep dish pizza. And of course, we soared high above the city at the Willis Tower, enjoying a bird's-eye view of the sprawling metropolis from the glass-floored skydeck. Each stop on our journey, whether it was a park, a pier, a pizza joint, or a pinnacle of architecture, offered us a unique slice of the Windy City's life and spirit. From the grandeur of its skyscrapers to the richness of its culinary scene, Chicago truly is a city with something for everyone. So, fellow travelers, our journey may have come to an end, but the spirit of exploration lives on. There's a whole world out there, full of stunning vistas, mouth-watering flavors, and unforgettable experiences waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos from Horizon Harbor. See you in the next adventure. Bye.